What is bruxism? Have you ever woken up with a sore jaw or a headache that just won't go away? You might be dealing with bruxism, a condition that affects many people. So, what exactly is bruxism? It is when a person clenches, grinds, or gnashes their teeth. This can happen while you are awake or during sleep. When it occurs during sleep, it is called sleep bruxism. Sleep bruxism involves involuntary movements of the jaw muscles that are responsible for chewing. These movements can lead to episodes of teeth grinding that last up to a second. However, these episodes are not continuous throughout the night. They can occur frequently enough to cause discomfort and other issues. Many people with sleep bruxism are unaware of their condition. Often, a family member or bed partner will notice the grinding sounds. Common symptoms include jaw and neck pain, morning headaches that feel like tension headaches, and unexplained damage to teeth. These symptoms arise from the tightening of jaw muscles during episodes of bruxism, which typically happen early in the sleep cycle during stages 1 and 2 of non-rapid eye movement sleep. Diagnosing sleep bruxism can involve an overnight sleep study known as polysomnography. This is the most definitive method, but it can be costly and time-consuming. In some cases, home observation tests can provide useful information, although they are less definitive. From a sleep wellness perspective, sleep bruxism can significantly impact overall sleep quality. Individuals with this condition may experience poor sleep quality, difficulty maintaining sleep, and increased sleep fragmentation. This can lead to daytime fatigue and sleepiness, making it essential to address sleep bruxism for better sleep wellness. To manage sleep bruxism and improve sleep wellness, consider a few practical strategies. First, engage in stress-reducing activities before bed, such as meditation or reading. Stress is a known trigger for bruxism. Second, practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or yoga to help relax jaw muscles. Using a mouthguard or splint can also protect your teeth from grinding damage. Lastly, ensure your sleep environment is comfortable to promote better sleep quality. By addressing sleep bruxism through these strategies, you can improve your overall sleep wellness and reduce the negative impacts of this condition on your rest and daily life.